Hello guys, I'm Ayswarya. Welcome to Ayswarya's Math Classroom. In this video, we will be doing Class 9, Chapter 1, Number System, Exercise 1.1. So let's get started. Exercise 1.1. First question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? So is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. And we can write it in the form P by Q. See, if you write 0 by 1, the result is what? 0. 0 by 5, which is equal to 0. If you take any negative number, this is also equal to 0. So 0, it can be written as 0 by 1, which is in the P by Q form. Okay. And if you see here, the Q is not equal to 0. The denominator part here, you can see it is not equal to 0. So we can say that 0 can be written in the form P by Q. I hope you understood. Now let us move on to the next question. Second question, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So first I'm going to write 3 here, then 4 here, and they have asked to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. I'm going to multiply 3 with 7. When I'm taking the numerator as 7, we have write the same number in the denominator, and with 4 also the same thing. Okay, so like I've said in the introduction video, like why we are taking this 7, because 6, if 6 is asked, we are taking higher numbers. If you have any doubt, please go and watch my introduction video. So 3 into 7 is how much? 21 by 7, and 4 into 7 is equal to 28 by 7. And we have to write 6 rational numbers between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7, which is 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. So these are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. I hope you understood. Now let us go to the next question. Third question. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So first I'm going to write 3 by 5 here, then 4 by 5 here. Since the denominators are same, we don't need to find the LCM. And since 5 rational numbers are asked, I'm going to multiply with 6 in the numerator part and the denominator part. Then 3 into 6 is how much? 18 divided by 30, and this is equal to 24 by 30. And we have to find 5 rational numbers between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30. So which is 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now let us go to the next question. Fourth question, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. The first question, every natural number is a whole number, which is true, because whole number is a collection of 0 and natural number. Now, second question, every integer is a whole number. It's false. Why? See, in integers, we have positive numbers as well as negative numbers, right? Whole numbers, we don't have negative numbers. So, negative integers are not whole numbers. Now, the third one, every rational number is a whole number. Rational number means it is in the form P by Q, right? So, this is false. In whole numbers, we don't have fraction. So we can say rational numbers like 2 by 5, 6 by 7, 11 by 15 are not whole numbers. I hope you understood. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.